These are Jacob's Mini Cheddars, cheddar and roasted tomato flavour. They cost £1.75. What do they taste like? Let's find out. Yeah, got quite a lot of flavour. So it's cheddar and roasted tomato. Can you pick the tomato out of that? As I know it's in there, I can taste it, but I'm not sure I'd be able to have picked it out if I didn't know it was in there. I'd know there was something there, but I don't think I'd have been able to have pinpointed it as tomato. I don't know, I might have done, you know. Yeah, I might have done. Right. So they're your classic cheddar. They're not them baked ones you can get. Well, I don't think they are. They certainly don't taste like they are to me, because they tend to be a lot harder. I don't know what the exact name of them are. Are they? I don't know if they are called baked. I can't remember. But these are definitely like the original ones, the softer type one. They're pretty good. Right, let's have a look at this. So you've got 6 bags here. There's the traffic lights, which are out of order. So we've got baked with real cheese. We make every last bite awesome. So we sprinkle and stir real cheese into our dough. Then it's baked, never fried until golden to guarantee cheesy, crunchy perfection. So I wonder what the difference is with these other ones. I can't remember what they're called, but they've definitely got a more snappier texture to them. And I do prefer them ones normally. Hello, we're Mini Cheddars. Just when you thought we couldn't get any tastier, we cooked up a cheesy special. Meet our new cheddars and roasted flavour. For the cheddar fanatic who enjoys their cheese with a little extra tang. This isn't cheddar as you know it. Right. There is the ingredients. There's the nutritionals. So as I said, now this is 138 grams. This 6 packs is 23 grams each. So £1.75, which is quite a lot of money really for that. But a lot of places are doing it if you use your loyalty card for £1.35, which is what I think I paid for these £1.35. So yeah, £1.75 bit pricey, £1.35 I think that is a fair price for these. And to be honest, I think that is probably where I'd value these at, around about 135. Yeah, so I think my valuation of them is about 135. Score. At 175, I would not pick them up again at that. Well, I didn't first time round, but yeah, I wouldn't buy them for that 175. I think they're about a 7 product at 175. At 135, I would prefer, I think I've reviewed the smoked paprika ones. It's a long time ago I reviewed them, and I really liked them, and they were that more snappier texture. For me, that's another league apart from these. I'd score these an 8 at 135. Yeah, I think there is another flavour in this sort of new range. I can't remember what it is. I think that might be smoked something. I can't remember. But yeah, who's tried these? What do you think of them? How do you, what do you value them at and score them at? Get in the comments, let me know. Right, there we are, guys. That is another Nighttime Nibbles food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me and Bobo, the custard kid. Come on, Bobo, over here again soon on another video. He's still in. Here he comes. He's on his way. Cheers, guys. Take care. Right, come on. Up you come, Bo. Look. Oh, you were a bit late there. Your timing was all out, Bobo. Poor old Bob. He still can't hear us. He'll have to get double bubble, won't he? Because we've got another review to do. Right, here we are. There's your first 4, Boo. You'll be getting another 4 in a bit. Bonjour, guys.